Can't touch the lion. He's so hungry. Yeah, never touch the lion. Oh, yeah, can't touch the lion. Push up the lion, never touch the lion. We are confident in the victory of good over evil. Cause who Jah bless? So the evil that mean me harm will make it go back where they came from. No demonic words and form shall prosper. Sing along, we tell the ogre and the science man come. Because if you are touch the lion, who Jah bless? Give me something. We can't ask for workers of iniquity. Rastafari. You know that one, yeah? Sing along. And I'm a going out and come. Jesus, when I believe right out, far from vampires. And I'm a going out and come. And keep my fire right hand. I keep my fire from shit. Well, everybody sing no walk with me, talk with me. I show me the dancing of the man with me. But they come and journey, they can't see me. Watch the tree right on. Maybe I should. Look what's up, turbulence to me. Hush. Hush. Softly, softly, softly. Don't stop doing it. Peace and love. I could have sing a bag of song and show off myself. I just want to say some things. The first thing I want to say is big respect to my family, the Marley family. Make some nice for them, please and thanks. Alright. Brother Marley, big up. Junior gang, big up yourself, Starboy. And the whole family. I want to make my family know one thing. You can depend on me. Yes, you can. You can depend on me. Listen. I'm in your corner, friend. I'm in your corner. Anytime the trouble is on, I'm in your corner, friend. Well, I'm in your corner. When you need someone around, you know I'll be your friend. Cause I'm in your corner. I'm in your corner. I'm in your corner, friend. I'm in your corner. You can't hear me properly? Listen. So when I call you my brother, I mean it. What's thicker than blood? I'm not leaving. Share the food and make we feed together. If anytime we will bleed together in your corner, friend. If you don't have a real friend, say real. He's off. Yeah, man, big respect. Peace and love. If you love the vibes, go on, sing it. Alright, big up all my artists from them. Bugle says so, Turbulence says so. Sure, well every day, sure, we give thanks. Who know that one you know? Sure, you spend all that money on your watch. How much time you? How much you money in the club you? How much you spend with that one turbulence or the sympathy? Hey, the sympathy. The sympathy. ISIS, they have to notice the blessing. You pick you in the shoes on your feet. Hey, but you're not pick and choose the friends for you. You're not what say. Why? Hey, so quickly, the simple things are your blessing. Simple things are your simple. Hush. Big up yourself, sunshine. You shine. As me said, me not stay too long. And me don't want to sing a bag of song. Me just want to say some things. If you love the vibe, say go on, sing it. Give me one drop. Nobody no believe in a love again. All love is gone. Nobody no believe in a God again. It seems all faith is gone. Nobody no believe, and it hurts my heart. Turn the lights on, the world so dark. Still I believe that love is everlasting. Again, nobody no believe in a love again. You want to sing with me? Yeah. Nobody no believe in a God again. I can't hear you. Nobody no believe in a love again. Because our love is lost. Nobody no believe in a try again. It seems our faith is gone. Nobody no believe, and it breaks my heart. Turn the lights on, the world's so dark. If you believe that love is everlasting, put your hand. One try. I love you is out of style. Trending for man, I kill a woman and child. When did the world get so unkind? So it is here from the beginning of time. Well, when I get sacrificed in the family, we put a life. I'm gonna talk truth when they crucify you off the hide. Some picture perfect, living a lie. I know it's so sad. Nobody no believe. Because our love is lost. Nobody no believe. In a God again. It seems our faith is gone. Nobody no believe. And it breaks my heart. Turn the lights on, the world's so dark. So I believe that love is everlasting. Pull up. If you love on my song, give me a round of applause. All of the girls are born good looking. I never knew anyone so overcast until the night I see your eyes. Good night. One more. So go on, sing it, sing. Whoa. Once again, give me some dance, okay. All right, then. Well, hey, DJ, can you play? Papa and the museum, you know you set the mood for me. Jump to all the different things. Chief us and the salary for the music. Everybody singing there, everybody singing there. Give me a well, I give you a stand roll and touch. Now found the music I tell. Hey, I mean, sorry. Don't stop it. This is Bob Marley yard. If you watch the documentary, it's the football kicking in the yard. Yeah. It's not a lazy yard. It's an active yard. All of the people that were belly full scream. All the people that have on the right side shoes say, oh, you mean? You see that part of the junior? We are going to celebrate Joe Mersa lively and vibes. When they mix the rhythm, more you jump if you can't jump your box. Jump, 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 jump. You know me love it, I love it. Hold on. They're never ready. They're never ready. They're never rehearse. Are you ready now? Are you ready now? Remember, if you can't jump the street, now go so. Up there, jump, 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 use it up. I love it, yeah, I love it, jump it. 1 foot. Okay. That side are ready, but that side are not ready. Bugle, I dance in the turban and jump right now. Are you ready? Alright? Ready, squiggly, give me the mix. Mix, jump, mix, jump. You know me love it, I love it. Never love it, jump it. 1 foot, jump it. Peace and love. Thank you for being here. Love yourself. Hush. My brother Junior can tell me. Wear your best threads today. You know what that means? If you have a cloth or a shirt, nobody wait for a special occasion. The special occasion is now. Rastafari. Yeah, Tarrus Reggae. Set the mood for me. Make some nice of Tarrus Reggae.